is the wild Jess, attempting to get into the house where she will raid.
They do forward to go, bruh.
Be quiet. I am filming the doggo right now. She seems to do nothing but stare at the window. She has started speaking. But if she gets in, that is bad news. She will end the facility. She will rupture everything. She will murder everyone. And everyone will fall while screaming. So we need to stop the doggo from getting in. And oh frick. What the frick? You just did it. Doggo. No, the doggo! Doggo! Oh no! Stop! You're ripping me! Oh,